Hi, I'm Elaine, and this is my husband Gary, and this is our home.
We went through a few, and then I think the concept that they propose is very practical, and then the pricing is also very reasonable. So we go ahead with that.
Part of the house is this platform, as it's a place where I can chill, read a book, and have my tea break.
This is the living room, because it's very spacious, and I have my fish tank, my hobby here, so I can spend a lot of time looking at my future, relaxing at home.
I felt that Kenny has been very forthcoming whenever we have any issue. Sometimes because we both of us work, so we do not have the luxury of time to come down to check the progress of the renovation daily. So he will always update us through WhatsApp, to let us know that what is the progress of the renovation, and if there is any changes that on the spots that he need to make a certain decision, he will also consult us to seek for our opinions before he proceed on. So I believe that Home Access is a good choice. Kenny is the preferred interior designer.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.